Today's video topic is the 7 healthiest milk options. There are so many milk options available on the market now, and it can be hard to choose which one is right for you. So here are the 7 healthiest milk options so you can make an informed decision about what you are drinking. Number 1. Cow's milk. Cow's milk is the most popular type of milk, and for good reason. It's a great source of protein and calcium, and it's also relatively low in fat. However, some people are allergic to cow's milk, so it's not an option for everyone. Number 2. Soy milk. Soy milk is a good alternative for those who are allergic to cow's milk. It's also a good source of protein and calcium, and it's low in fat. However, some people find the taste of soy milk to be a bit off-putting. Number 3. Almond milk. Almond milk is a great option for those who are looking for a milk alternative that's low in calories and fat. It's also a good source of calcium and vitamin E. However, almond milk doesn't have as much protein as cow's milk, so it's not a good choice for those who are looking to build muscle. Also, it is not suitable for people with a tree nut allergy. Number 4. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is a good alternative for people with a tree nut allergy. It has a good taste and it is a good source of calcium and magnesium, but it doesn't have any protein at all and also has high fats. Number 5. Hemp milk. Hemp milk is a milk option made from hemp seeds. It is nutritious and alternative to dairy milk, as it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and minerals. Hemp milk is also low in calories and fat, so it is a good choice for people who are trying to lose weight. An important thing to know here is that although the milk is made from the cannabis sativa plant, it doesn't have any psychoactive effects, meaning that it can't get you high. Number 6. Rice milk. Rice milk is a type of milk made from rice. It's a popular non-dairy milk alternative for those who are lactose intolerant, have allergies to cow's milk, or are vegan. Rice milk is made by grinding rice into a fine powder and mixing it with water, and it has a sweet, nutty flavor. Rice milk is a good source of vitamins and minerals, and is low in calories and fat. It is also naturally gluten-free. However, rice milk does not contain as much protein as cow's milk, and it is also lacking in calcium. Because of this, it is important to choose a rice milk that is enriched with calcium and vitamins D and B12. Number 7. Oat milk. Oat milk is another great milk option. It is high in soluble fibers, which keep you feeling full for longer periods, and can also reduce your cholesterol levels and stabilize blood sugar levels.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.